Aspenleiter with Hoshizaki. I am one of the strategic account managers for the Hoshizaki America brand. And we're here at the Pizza Expo. And I'd like to introduce you to our latest and greatest Steelheart model within our prep table line. We are going to be awarded a Kitchen Innovation Award for this product at NRA in 2026. And I'd like to go over some of the features with you. So the idea for this prep table came up out of several customers coming to us, asking us to help them minimize food waste within their pizza prep operations. As you know, as you're making pizzas and you're sliding pizzas down the rail, product continues to fall on the floor or down into catch pans, which generally just go right into the trash. So what we've developed here is a very unique, I'm excited about it, system where you see our slide rails. This is removable. And then here we have refrigerated catch pans. So therefore, as your product is falling, it is landing in a safe space that can be recouped later. What we were finding out with some of our competitors was similar models existed. However, within their catch tray, the food was not staying in what we call the food safe temperature, putting your customers at risk. So what we've developed is a dual temperature system to allow us to keep the catch pans refrigerated in the food safe. Therefore, your food stays in the safe temperature range to serve to your customers. At the end of the shift, you can recoup your product, put it back in. It has stayed at temperature the entire time. It's pretty unique. How are you able to keep your product in overnight without it freezing? Is we have a pretty unique thing built in here. It's a day-night sensor. So as you close these lids, and this will lead us to our next unique feature, the sensor picks it up that it's in night mode. And down here, you'll notice that kicked to eco. So now that's in a mode to last throughout the night, keeping your food safe, not freezing it for the next day. Another feature and benefit with our new prep table is we've had customers come to us and ask us for dual temperature controls for years. And we've done it in certain capacities, knob style, digital style in different locations, one's inside. And what we've done here is we put them both here on the face. One controller controls your temperature and airflow in here, while the other controller is allowing you to keep the bottom cooler and at a different temperature if you need to, because if you're putting product in here and it's ambient out, you might need that rail to be a little colder than you do the bottom. It's a big deal. Being able to have the dual temperature control, it gives you the flexibility to store different items, and it gives you the flexibility to keep more product ready to serve and safe. You'll notice down here by the controllers as well, we've made our air filter right out here on the front. It is removable, very easy to clean, easily accessible, and can become part of your routine preventative maintenance programs. One of the neatest features about this is at the end of the night. I already told you, you can store your food all night in a safe temperature range without freezing. But at the end of the night, you remove your trays. Dishwasher-safe if you have a dishwasher, will fit in any 3-compartment sink. Same with these. Replace them. These will stay off. And then we have these night covers that will keep the dust and anything that might accumulate over the night out of the clean food area.